Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Affinity Designer for client-ready logos. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Affinity Designer and hit enter. Locate the official Affinity website in the search results. Click on the link to the official Affinity Designer page. Once on the page, look for the download or buy now button. Choose the option that suits your needs, either the trial version or the full purchase. If selecting a trial, click on the corresponding button to start downloading. If purchasing, follow the prompts to complete your transaction. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Affinity Designer. On Windows, you may need to confirm any security prompts. On Mac, you may need to drag the Affinity Designer icon into your Applications folder. Once the installation is finished, open Affinity Designer. If you are prompted to sign in or enter a license key, follow the instructions provided. After logging in or familiarize yourself with the workspace and tools available. To create a client-ready logo, start by creating a new document. Set your desired dimensions and resolution for the logo. Using the tools in the left panel, begin sketching your logo design. Utilize layers to keep your design organized and manageable. Explore the adjustment options to refine colors and shapes. After completing your design, save your work in a suitable format. Export your logo in high resolution for client delivery. You're now ready to showcase your new logo design with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.